Hello! Today I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how to get your kids more interested and comfortable in wearing their own face mask. When I adopted these changes, my kid started to want to wear the face mask around the house to play, and she gets really excited when we go outside and she has to wear it. You will see. My name is Montserrat, and in this channel you will find useful advice to integrate practical and eco-responsible practices in your life to accompany you while your children grow. Let's go into it. Tip 1. Make them a face mask that will comfortably fit their face. In the description below you can find a link to the video and the printable instructions I wrote on how to make a custom size face mask. It's free! Tip 2. Let them choose the fabric. If they choose the fabric and they choose a fabric they like, they will be more interested in wearing it. Tip 3. Leave out the nose wire. When I was using a nose wire, her face was being squeezed, so I just tried without it and it worked really well. Tip 4. Use ties with elasticity and cord stops. If you have some ties that have a little bit of elasticity, it's going to be easier for them to pass it around their head, and if you use cord stops, it's going to be easier for them to adjust the ties rather than making a knot. Tip 5. Let them play and learn how to wear it on their own. It's only by playing that we learn, so let them try and let them fail and let them have fun, and they will eventually learn how to do it, and it will be a fun activity to do. If you find this video useful, like it, and if you want to watch more videos about tips and tools on how to integrate more eco-responsible practice in your life while your children grow, subscribe. Take care. Bye.
Mira, como la he hecho, es que le abro un poquito aquí, luego como me la pongo, pues bueno, luego la bajo un poquito, luego me la pongo y luego me la pongo aquí arriba, luego ¿sí? Luego me la pongo así. Y luego
¿Te la abrochó?
yo la puedo abrochar aquí.
Le aprietas y me jalas. ¿Hasta para acá?
La lluvia.
La lluvia.
Lista.
Hasta la lluvia.
A ver, date la vuelta.
Hasta la lluvia.
Muy bien. Gracias, Emi.